world feels new. Every heartbeat slows, the light feels warm, safe in the silence, far from the storm. Let the waves roll softly by, hear the whispers of the sky. Close your eyes, just drift away, find your peace at the end of the day. Golden rays touch the evening sea, the horizon hums a quiet melody. Footsteps vanish in the velvet sand, a fleeting moment you can't command. Let the waves roll softly by, hear the whispers of the sky. Close your eyes, just drift away, find your peace at the end of the day. Golden rays touch the evening sea, the horizon hums a quiet melody. Footsteps vanish in the velvet sand, a fleeting moment you can't command. Night wraps the earth in its tender arms, stars ignite with their quiet charms. Breathe in the dark, let your worries dissolve in the endless night where mysteries revolve. Let the waves roll softly by, hear the whispers of the sky. Close your eyes, just drift away, find your peace at the end of the day. Under the sky so white and blue, gentle clouds drift, the world feels new. Every heartbeat slows, the light feels warm, safe in the silence, far from the storm. Let the waves roll softly by, hear the whispers of the sky. Close your eyes, just drift away, find your peace at the end of the day. Golden rays touch the evening sea, the horizon hums a quiet melody. Footsteps vanish in the